Gates open, that up and racing. Golden Fortune draws for your lead. Is Smart and Noble in second, then running by the rail is Harrod's Magic. Glass Cockpit racing on the outside fourth. Racing in Peep Reading Machine moving up by the rail. Pass forward. Suab Tiger comes next, then moving up on the outside. Bonjour running by the rail is entry number 3 Purely Quali, and as they pass the last 800, Harrod's Magic takes command over Golden Fortune on the outside. Glass Cockpit racing on the outside third is Martin Noble, drops back in fourth. Racing in P, pass forward, then moving up on the outside 6S Reading Machine as they round at the last 450. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Harrod's Magic, Glass Cockpit moving up on the outside as they swing for home. Three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Glass Cockpit running at the center is Martin Noble by the rail. Reading Machine now arriving to the race to end. Bonjour with the last 100 meters. Reading Machine now takes the lead over Glass Cockpit, and finally Reading Machine, Glass Cockpit, Bonjour, Smart and Noble close between Pass Forward and Suab Tiger.